Welcome to another thrilling round of Creature Quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge of the ocean's most dangerous inhabitants? Get ready to dive deep into the murky waters as we explore 7 questions about some of the most formidable creatures lurking beneath the waves. Let's begin. Which stealthy predator, equipped with sharp teeth and a distensible jaw, is known for its ability to swallow prey whole? Answer A, gulper eel. This formidable predator, with its sleek body and lightning-fast strikes, is known as the greyhound of the sea for its incredible speed. Answer C, sailfish. Which deep-sea predator, known for its bioluminescent lure and needle-like teeth, is capable of swallowing prey larger than itself? Answer A, anglerfish. Which elusive cephalopod, characterized by its transparent body and gelatinous appearance, is often found in the darkest depths of the ocean? Answer C, vampire squid. Which venomous fish, concealed among coral reefs and seabed rubble, delivers a painful sting with its sharp dorsal spine? Answer B, scorpionfish. With its prehistoric appearance and rows of razor-sharp teeth, this ancient predator is often called the living fossil of the ocean. Answer C, coelacanth. Which voracious marine invertebrate, resembling a giant worm with sharp jaws, burrows into sandy seabeds and waits for unsuspecting prey to pass by? Answer B, bobbit worm. Thank you for watching. Tell us in the comments how many you got right. Like, share, and follow for the next edition. Stay tuned for more.